To perform contrast test on Honor 600 Pro, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to the Honor Eye Comfort display, and then there's personalized display settings. Here we'll be able to perform a contrast test. It should take you around 1 minute. If you go through it fast, it may take longer, to be honest, but let's click on start. That way we'll need to meet 3 different criteria right here. So first thing is that you are in a well-lit environment. Also, it cannot be too bright. I will show you that in a second. You will need to maintain distance of at least 30 centimeters away from your phone, and during the test the system will temporarily revert all of the display changes, like the colors, the eye comfort, and etc. So if you agree with that, you can click on start and begin the entire test. In this case it says that the lighting is too bright, as I've mentioned, so I need to turn off one of my lamps. That way we should be able to progress. And now we'll need to grab our phone. You need to look at it straight from your face, like I'm doing right now. And then in this step you need to mark all of the circles that have stripes on them. If there's an empty circle, don't select it. So in this case I'm gonna go for those and click on OK. Then you need to take a look on this circle and select which stripe you can see on it. And I can see that there's this stripe. I hope so. You can also go for unclear if you cannot see it. Then there's this one, and then we can again select all of the striped circles. So I think this one, and this one, and this one. And again the same thing, you need to repeat, select which one you can see. In this case for me it's unclear, I can't see any stripes on it, so let's select that. The stripe direction of the circle is here, I think it's this one. Select all striped circles again. Okay. Now the stripe direction, it's unclear for me. Again, unclear for me. Select all striped circles. I think those two. And now this one is again unclear. In this case it's this one. And now our settings are customized. You can already preview it on your screen and enable it if you like, or perform it later, or enable it later, or reset the entire setup. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.